In our next video in the series of modern messaging, we are going to touch on the application FaceTime. It is only available on iPhone or iPad. However, you can make FaceTime calls with Android users, and I'm going to show you how in this video. First up, you're going to need to download the FaceTime app. It does come pre-installed on an iPhone, but if you find that it was deleted, you can always find it again just by opening up your app store, searching for FaceTime. This is what the logo looks like, and then you can download it. The interface on FaceTime is extremely simple. Of all of the modern messaging apps that we have covered so far, by far FaceTime makes it the easiest to connect with people that you love. All you have to do is open up the app. You can select a FaceTime that you had with somebody else from this list, or you can click New FaceTime. Once you do that, you're going to get some suggestions on some contacts that you have here, or you can type in their name here to find them in your contacts on your phone. Now, as I mentioned at the top of the video, if you are trying to create a FaceTime call with an Android user, they do not have access to the FaceTime app. However, you can create a link that you could send to anyone, and this will work on an Android phone. It'll work in just a regular old web browser. So if you click Create Link, you can then select from a number of different ways to share this link with somebody. For example, you could select messages if you wanted to send them link in the text message. If you scroll to the side, you could send it through Facebook Messenger. You could send it through an email and Gmail. There's lots of different ways that you could do this link, or you could just copy the link and then maybe open up your email application and then type in whoever you wanted to send it to, fill in the subject line, and then just simply paste in that link. Hold up, it occurred to me that you might not know how to paste using your iPhone. So to paste, after we copied that link in FaceTime, you're just going to tap where that little icon is blinking. Once you do that, a dialog will pop up above there, and then you're going to select Paste, and that will paste your link. Back to the video now. And then send it to them. The person you send that to is going to get a link that looks just like this, and then they can click this link and it will launch the FaceTime call. You can do a group FaceTime as well with up to 32 other individuals, so it's a fantastic way to connect with other people, to be able to see their face. If you don't want to be on camera, you can make an audio-only FaceTime call. Just tap the audio button right here instead of FaceTime video, which is this one, when starting a call. When someone calls you on FaceTime, you're going to see this screen. You can tap the green button to answer the call or the red button to decline. If you miss a FaceTime call, no worries. Your FaceTime calls are going to be listed right here, and any one of these contacts, I could click on them and that would immediately launch a FaceTime call. And that's it. You are now ready to use FaceTime to stay connected with loved ones. This is a 100% free service. There's not even a premium version of this, so it is just available for free forever. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I hope now you are more tech-wise.